for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Lokesh Kumar, the Managing Partner of Aeronox Innovations. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing at Drone Expo. Hello. Hello, sir. Glad to have you here. Let's not take much of your time. Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
Okay. So myself, Lokesh Kumar, the Managing Partner of Aeronox. I come from a software background. So I have around 18 years of experience into the software. So we already have a established company on the software end. So we recently started this Aeronox 6 months back, and we are getting into the drone technology. So we are adding our software intelligence into the drone, and that's how we are getting into the drones. And right now, we are into drone light shows and also AI-powered inspections.
That's wonderful. Which products or solution you're showcasing at Drone Expo?
So at this expo, we want to expose Aeronox into drone light show. So primarily into the weddings. So we want to showcase your dreams, and we want to design those dreams, and we want to light up your dreams into the sky and make it a much more memorable for your life. And that's the vision that we thought, like, we need to give more memories to your happy wedding time. And also we are also not only for the weddings, we also provide these solutions for religious events. It could be for corporate events and any other events that happens across India.
That's real nice, sir. In your views, what are your strengths, which keeps you unique from others?
Yes. So the unique thing is, like, as I told, like, we come from the software background. So for the drones, that whatever we are using, so we are introducing a secure drone technology into the drones where no one can spoof our drones, no one can hijack our drones, no one can have an unauthorized access to our drones. This is one thing that we have brought into this, but also for the entire drone light show, what are the software that is required? So we have built it from a scratch. It's our own proprietary. So we called it as Akash for base station software, and also for the simulation software, we have named it as Tejas FX.
So basically, the security is very strong.
Yes.
No one can hijack
Yes.
or no one can use that. That's wonderful. So any message would you like to convey to the potential customers, visitors, and individual exploring your booth?
Yes. So anyone who has a dream for their daughter's wedding or for their son's wedding, or it could be any special events, we can make it more memorable. So do visit us, do contact us. So we will let you know, and we will, as I said, like, you dream it, you vision it, we will design it, and we will light up in the sky. So we will make your event much more memorable.
That's wonderful point, sir. That's really nice message. So I hope you had the great experience at Drone Expo in Bangaluru.
Yes.
In September, we are bringing it to New Delhi with same aim and more opportunities. Would you like to participate again?
Yes, definitely. This has given an exposure for us. Though we are a 6 months based company, we had a lot of individuals who were very much interested to know what we are and what we are into. Hopefully, we will get the same in Delhi also. We will definitely try to get back, and we want to be there, and we want to showcase what Aeronox can do to the nation, to the customer, or to the industry.
That's really nice. Looking forward to see you in New Delhi as well, sir. Thank you so much.